Many times, pocket holes can be hidden. But when you can't, or when you just want to fill them, you can use pocket hole plugs. Plugs are available in multiple species, so you can match most common woods. Installing the plugs is easy. Just put a little glue in the pocket hole, and then slide the plug in. The plugs are extra long so they can be trimmed flush for a great fit. A flush trim saw, which you can find in a home center, works best for this. This type of saw has a flexible blade so you can get it into position, and it has teeth that are less likely to scratch the surface. If you're really worried about scratches, a good trick is to cut a shield from thin cardboard, like a file folder or a cereal box. The shield prevents the saw teeth from scraping the surface. After trimming, all you have to do is sand the plug smooth. If there are any small gaps around the plug, you can fill them in with a mixture of sawdust and wood glue.